Hello everybody, my name's Dilbo. Welcome to the channel. In today's video I was going to start up my very first ever mini bike. It's a 49cc 2-stroke mini pit bike. It's a fun thing. Its nickname is well, what I called it is Problem Child, because for years it didn't run and I was using it as a parts bike, but not so long ago I managed to finally get it to start, and I thought it was the bike that I mentioned in one of my other mini bike videos where I started up. The black and red one, you may have seen it. I'll put a link in the description. But in today's video I was going to start it up and, you know, bring back the mini bike videos. So, also with these mini bikes, a quick tip with them. To start them, to avoid yourself injury, please wear gloves and stuff. If you don't, mini bikes being mini bikes and 2-strokes being temperamental, trying to start them up, you do yourself an injury. Pulling the pull start loads of times. The handle gives you blisters sort of around about there and stuff, which I have actually got, and they hurt a lot. So always remember to have gloves on to avoid injury and stuff. But let's get on with it. So as you can see, that's the pit bike I'm going to be starting up. It's a bit small, but it's fun nonetheless. Sure if the microphone's going to pick me talking up or not, but it is quite a loud bike. But it's a bit smoky, that's because I'm running it a little bit too rich. But yeah, they're great fun to work on, you know. They don't take up a lot of room or anything. Great fun. Yeah. Don't know what happened there with it. I got a bit excited. Yeah, probably the homemade stand that I made for it. I have an old tow rig to bolt it on. But yeah, how about that? I'll try and do some more mini bike videos and stuff. You know, probably won't be any riding videos because our garden's small and I like to be not so noisy neighbour. So yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, more of these videos to come. See you in the next one.